This is Yonaka Motorsports Stage 3 clutch assembly, the lining and the pressure plates. Just to let you know, I am not sponsored by Yonaka Motorsports in any form or any ways. I'm just simply making a review of it, since I shown you guys that I'm using this one. Okay, it just happened to be that that I have to dismantle my my good motor, one of my engine, just for a forks. Yeah, when we put those that G23 VTEC together yesterday, the fifth gear, which is I'm gonna change this with the Accord one. All right. Bam. Welcome back, guys. Doing a little review on my clutch, the pressure plate and the lining, and also might as well show you guys my my makeup lightened flywheel. This is OEM flywheel that I said, you know, like at the time I said, you know what, I want to see if I could try lightening this OEM H22 flywheel, and I brought it down to about I think 12 pounds or 13 pounds, I think. I'll show you guys a picture. But all I did is just triangulate the holes and everything. You know, this big one here, there's 3 of them on 3 corners of it, and all. Then I just put about those 2 holes right there. I was gonna do another one and use it on G23, this one, but my machinist, well, not the machinist, the balance shaft that I take all the stuff that it needed a balancing. Well, he's having some operations, and he's plus 60 something years old, and he couldn't do it. He's gonna take a break after the operation. So I said, you know what, I'll just buy another one. That's why I end up with that competition clutch. But if I would have known that I was gonna tear this thing apart, remove the transmission from it, I would not buy it. 2 days ago, when me and my nephew put this thing together, I needed a fork. This one. I thought I got one, which is, well, I have a video clips of it that I showed that motor already separated. I needed a fork, so I ended up I thought I have one spare. I thought about going to the junkyard, but you know, I said, you know what, I don't want to try my luck finding one out there. Even if they do have one, who knows what the condition of it. Maybe there's no manual transmission available out the yard. And even if it shows on the computer that they have one, who knows that someone might have already taken the transmission off. So that's why I went ahead and separate the transmission and just use the forks from this one. This is the one that I was using, the Snow White. Well, when you know, when you live in California, every 2 years, it's just something that I do. And now I'm thinking about, I don't know if I should put this on. There is nothing wrong with this motor. This is the reliable turbocharged motor that I ever have. And since I already taken apart, well, removed the transmission, I was thinking about putting a F20B crankshaft on there. You know, more RPM. I don't know. We'll see what happens. See how it goes. So anyway, this vlog is about show you guys my lightened flywheel, the DIY. It can be done. You know, if you want to try to save some money, You know, like it cost me like $20-30 to get it balanced, but it's just I had some fun with it. You know, that I proved to myself that I can do it. Yeah, so that's OEM that I lightened it. So here's the one that I was gonna make a review about. This is Yonaka Motorsports clutch stage 3, and I've had this for a while. I never had any problem with it. Since I'm using one for my H22 project, I said to myself, you know what, maybe it's a good idea to make a review. I am not sponsored by Yonaka Motorsports in any way. Okay, I just simply making a review of it so others could see, you know, maybe put some trust on one of their products. That's all. So I've had this for little less than 2 years, but like I said, this motor alone had been on 3 times it was on a dyno session. This motor, this block, and with this clutch on there, and it held for a while. The lining, it no cracks, nothing, except for this springs. I'm not sure if this is normal. 2 of them you could turn it by hand. Then the other 2, that's the only one. And inside, you still have some use left on them. But this one, like I said on my other vlog, that it takes a little bit of a break-in period. They said about 300 miles. It's more than that. But after it broke in, that it's finally, the lining already settled in, it was perfect. It doesn't chattered anymore. Okay. And as far as like the clutch plate, there, you could see some wear on it. There's already a lip on here. Yeah, this is Yonaka Motorsports stage 3 clutch, and no slipping issue whatsoever. And I'm pushing 400 something plus on this one, on using on a dyno pack. I think I made 380 something on this one on Mustang dyno at Import Auto. Yeah, but at the time I didn't know that the exhaust, the flex pipe, that it collapsed inside, and literally that's the only size of the hole it has on there. And yeah, it made 380 something plus. I thought it was the turbo that was broken, but it's not. I upgraded to a GT35 from T3, T4 to find out that the exhaust was blocked. Alright, so that's it. That's my review on my stage 3 Yonaka Motorsports. So it's up to you if you guys wanna try this off. You know, give it a try. But I know I can trust them. Alright, that's just about me reviewing this clutch. And hopefully you guys, I don't know, a lot of guys have already have some experience with this. I'm hoping that it turned out good for you guys, which is for me. I'm okay with it. That's why I'm giving it another second shot, which is the H22 VTEC. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys back. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye.